DJI, the world leader in drone technology, just released their latest masterpiece, the DJI Inspire 3. This cutting-edge drone is filled with mind-blowing features that will push your imagination to new heights. Are you ready to be blown away? Join us as we investigate the incredible capabilities of the DJI Inspire 3. In the world of aerial photography and videography, the DJI Inspire 3 is a true game-changer. You can capture stunning visuals with incredible clarity and detail using its ultra-high-resolution 8K camera. Say farewell to ordinary shots and hello to cinematic masterpieces. Think about capturing breathtaking aerial photos that will amaze your audience, or shooting professional-grade videos with extreme precision. The Inspire 3 gives you the ability to unleash your creative vision like never before. One of the most impressive features of the DJI Inspire 3 is its advanced image stabilization technology. DJI has included a cutting-edge gimbal system to ensure smooth and stable footage even in difficult flying conditions. There will be no more shaky shots ruining your masterpiece. Your scenes will be ultra-smooth and breathtakingly cinematic with the Inspire 3. Capture breathtaking aerial footage that rivals Hollywood productions and impress your audience with your smooth and professional results. The DJI Inspire 3 is more than just a pretty face, it's also a performance beast. With its agile and fast flight capabilities, you can capture previously impossible shots. With a top speed of up to 58 miles per hour and a flight time of up to 28 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to capture all the action without worrying about running out of battery power. Fly with assurance, knowing that the Inspire 3 can meet your creative needs. It's time to push the limits of what aerial photography and videography can do. With DJI's advanced remote controller, controlling the DJI Inspire 3 is a breeze. You have complete control over the drone's settings and camera functions thanks to the high-resolution touchscreen display. DJI's intelligent flight modes make it easier than ever to capture professional-quality shots. Complex shots that were once reserved for experts can now be achieved with just a few taps on the screen. The Inspire 3 gives you creative control, allowing you to focus on capturing stunning visuals and telling your story. DJI has designed the Inspire 3 with durability in mind. Its rugged and robust body can withstand tough flying conditions, making it perfect for adventures in any environment. Fly with confidence, knowing that your drone can handle the challenges of the great outdoors. The Inspire 3 is built to last, ensuring that it will be your reliable companion on your creative endeavors for years to come. In conclusion, the DJI Inspire 3 is an innovative drone that will completely change the way you shoot and edit aerial footage. Its ultra-high-resolution camera, advanced image stabilization, unrivaled performance, intuitive control, and durability make it an excellent choice for both professional and creative filmmakers. With the DJI Inspire 3, you can capture breathtaking visuals and tell your story like never before. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it informative. If you want to stay up to date with our latest videos and content, please consider liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and hitting that bell icon so you never miss a new upload. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content in the future. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.